Hello! This video will cover microservices. What is a microservice, and why using them is a powerful application architecture approach. Microservices is an application development and deployment approach perfectly suited to the agility, scale, and reliability requirements of modern cloud applications. In a microservices model, developers individually build and deploy small, independently executed services or microservices that collaborate using published API calls across the network to deliver the overall application's functionality. This results in a fine-grained, loosely coupled application that can easily be distributed across multiple host machines for scale and reliability. Most enterprises start by designing their infrastructures as a single monolith or several tightly interdependent monolith applications. The monolith carries out several functions, and all of the programming for those functions resides in a cohesive piece of application code. Since the code for these functions is woven together, it is difficult to untangle. Changing or adding a single feature in a monolith can disrupt the code for the entire application. This makes upgrades a time-consuming and expensive process. The more upgrades performed, the more complicated the programming becomes until upgrades and scaling are virtually impossible. Solving these challenges is the core advantage of a microservices architecture. The term microservices emphasizes the fact that the application should be composed of services small enough to be truly implemented in a single role. An example would be a function to calculate the sales tax on a retail website. Each microservice has a well-defined API contract for other microservices to communicate and share data with it. Microservices must also be able to version and update independently of each other. This loose coupling is key to supporting rapid and reliable evolution of the application. What would have been a single tier of a monolith application decomposes into many discrete microservices, each independent and isolated. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, I suggest visiting our website for more details.